This is a box. This is a box inside the box. This is a box inside the box that contains spacers. Next, we just need to put the box of spacers on the truck. This is a truck. The box of spacers is now on the truck. Complete.
These particular spacers, 6 by 135. Basically, it's an 1.5 inch spacer for the Ford truck. Bolt pattern. Next, we just need to rip off the tires. Spacers on and torqued. Okay, that's the first spacer on. I have to say, I'm not going for a huge poke out. I was trying to make it look pretty much flush. I like it. I like it. This is just a 1.5. I'll show you on the other side too. Here's what it looks like on this side for the front. I haven't done the back yet. You can see the back is sunk in a lot. Front. This is before. Yeah, I'm gonna do the back one and we'll compare both. I think it looks much better. Okay, I'm really liking it. This is the rear. It's nice and basically flush with the top fender. Maybe tuck just a teensy bit. It's really good. We can compare that to the other side, where it is sunk under. This front's still stock too. So this is what it looks like sunk under on this side, like really sunk. Same wheel size, same tire size, just 1.5 inch space. I like it. Okay, right now I'm driving down the crooked road by my house just for some driving impressions. And the first thing is, it's quiet, there's nothing going on, it's all smooth, that's all fine. The only differences I would say is it feels a little bit more stout, if I was going to use a word. And the second, which is more tangible, is that steering effort is slightly increased. So where the power steering was, let's say fingertip, you could turn it. Now you need a couple fingers. It's not difficult or anything, but you can notice there's a little bit more effort to initiate steering with a wider scrub on the front. And that's about it. Right now, I'm pretty happy with it.